Hello buddies, welcome back to yet another interesting video. In this video today, I'll be showing you all how to make a dough. How to make a dough with the hands without any machine. So relax and enjoy this video to the end as I will show you how to make a dough without using machine. This is the first video I'm going to be sharing. I'll be sharing other videos also how to make a dough without using machine. So relax and enjoy this video to the end. You can make this and use it for either your bread, your buns, or any dough recipes at all. So let's do this together. First, you start by adding 500 grams of all-purpose flour, adding 65 grams of sugar and 6 grams of salt into your bowl, adding some nutmeg powder, although it's optional. Then you add in some yeast. This particular recipe, I'm not going to be using milk powder or milk for this recipe, so I'm just keeping it simple. Then you go in with 250 grams of water for the first start. So once you start mixing it and see that you need to add water gradually, you're going to be adding water gradually. For this particular recipe, I use almost 290 grams of water by the end of making the dough. Okay, so because there are some flour that doesn't take much water, there are some flour that also takes much water, so that's why you need to start small, gradually. Make sure that you use room temperature water or cold water. Next, you're going to add your butter. For this recipe, I use 35 grams of margarine, so you can use margarine or butter. So once you are done combining everything, transfer onto your work surface and start kneading just this way with the heel of your palm, and make sure you knead it till it is very soft and kind of bouncy. Okay, so once you get to that stage, you're going to wrap it up and keep it aside for like 10 to 20 minutes. After 10 to 20 minutes, you take it out from the wrap, or if you place it in a lightly greased bowl, just take it out from the bowl, and then you are ready to cut this dough and use it for any recipe at all. Maybe if you want to make bread, you can just cut it, size it, mold it, and put it into your bread pan. If you want to make bread buns, your burger, any dough recipes at all, you can use it. You can see that the dough passed the window pen test already, so use it and do whatever you want. I hope this video is helpful, and if it is, please don't forget to share this video. Also help me to drop your comment in the comment section how you feel about this video, and please follow me. Thanks.